potential pet owners statewide have something to look forward to. Governor Pat Quinn signed a one-of-a-kind bill to help consumers make an informed decision when adopting a pet.
It's not a lot of change on how a shelter is going to adopt out animals. We have to provide our license number, and then it's medical history that we are aware of. And there's a disclaimer and a disclosure sentence that we have to have adoptees read and sign. The other addition that we don't currently provide is if the animal has previously been adopted and been returned.
And Carla Anderson says this law is a helpful push in the right direction.
We did try to adopt a puppy before from a rescue center, and it turned out the puppy had some parasitic infection that was contagious to humans, was not brought to our attention until 5 days later after we brought him to the vet. If we knew he was sick before we took him home, we wouldn't have taken him home.
The new law requires that pet stores, shelters, and control facilities post the information on or near the cages in hopes that more pets like Lily get adopted.
I'd like to believe it would increase because we certainly want to adopt all the pets that we can.
When you have all the information that you need, you can make a good, wise decision as to whether you want to bring that pet into your home.
As of January 1st, the information is required to be posted. Otherwise, shops and shelters could face a $1,000 fine. Aaron Stuber, Northwestern News Network.